Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 10 Arithmetic Progression. We have studied the main concepts of arithmetic progression and how to find the nth term of an AP in the previous classes. Today we will be studying how to find the sum of n terms with examples and solve more questions from exercise 10C. Are you all ready? Yes, let's start. We know how to find the nth term of an AP. Also, we know the general form of an AP. What is the general form of an AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. up to nth term, Tn. Okay. Now, we are going to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Let us consider an AP. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Okay. This is an AP. Here the first term is 2 and we know the common difference is also 2. 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Therefore, the common difference is 2. Okay. If we are asked to find first 10 terms or the sum of first 10 terms of this AP. Sum of first 10 terms of this AP. What do? We will be adding these terms 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Here we have 5 terms, 5 more terms, plus 12, plus 14, plus 16, plus 18, plus 20. It may take some time, but we'll be able to add them, right? Now, if we are asked to find the sum of first 100 terms or 200 terms, do you think adding all these terms will be easy? It is actually a big deal, right? Okay. In that case, a general formula will help us to find the sum of first n terms. It can be 10, 20, 30, etc. n terms of an AP. Okay. Let us derive that formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Now, here the sum is represented using the letter S. Sum is equal to first term plus second term plus third term, etc. up to the nth term. Then we can write this as A plus D is the second term plus what is the third term? A plus 2D. A plus 2D etc. up to where? What is the nth term? Nth term is Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we know A plus B and B plus A are equal. That is, on reversing the terms, there is not going to be any change. Now, if I write sum S is equal to, I am taking the last term first, A plus n minus 1 into D. What will be the term that comes just before this? We know nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The term that comes just before the nth term is n minus 1 term. Yes, Tn minus 1. That will be equal to A plus. In place of n, we have to put n minus 1. N minus 1, here we have another 1. Minus 1 into D. That is equal to A plus n minus 1 which is n minus 2. N minus 2 into D. Okay. So, this is the term that comes here. A plus n minus 2 into D. Okay. On reversing, we will be getting this as the second term. Last second term becomes the second term here. Plus A plus n minus 2 into D. Then you will be having A plus n minus 3 into D. Up to where? You will be getting etc. up to A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. Just in the commutative property of addition, we know that A plus B and B plus A are equal. If you just arrange in any order, adding them, you will be getting the same sum. Okay. Now, I am considering this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay. What is equation 1 plus equation 2? Adding first and second equation. Left hand side, here we have an s, here also we have s, which means s plus s, that is 2s, is equal to. Consider the first terms. Here the first term is a and here we have a plus n minus 1 into d. First term a plus n minus 1 into d. We have taken only the first terms. Plus, what are the second terms? Here we have a plus d. A plus d plus. Here what is the second term? A plus n minus 2 into d. A plus n minus 2 into d. Plus, etc. Then comes the sum of third terms, etc. up to, let us see the nth term. Here, the nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d and here we have a. A plus n minus 1 into d plus a. Okay. A plus a, we get 2a. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What about this? Here again we have a plus a. A plus a is 2a. Then we have a d here, n minus 2 into d. Let's see what changes can be brought to this. 2s is equal to, this term becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Plus, here again we have a plus a, 2a plus d plus n minus 2 into d. D plus minus 2d. When you distribute this, remove the brackets, we get minus 2d. D minus 2d is minus d. Yes? D minus 2d, we get minus d. Then we have n into d, nd. Okay? nd minus d, n minus 1 into d. We get this part, d plus n minus 2 into d is n minus 1 into d. Understood? Therefore, here we can put n minus 1 into d. Plus etc. up to, let us see with the nth term. Here we have a plus a. A plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. Okay. When you take the sum of third term, fourth term, fifth term, any terms, you will be getting the same things. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here, in the left hand side, we have 2s. 2s is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many terms are there? N such terms are there. Which means, we know a plus a can be written as 2a. A plus a is 3 times a. 3 into a. N times a will be n into a. Here we have n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because this term is repeating n times. We have to find sum of this terms which is present n times here. Okay. We can write this as n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is sum? I am taking this 2 to the opposite side. It becomes division. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. In our example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In that example, if you are asked to find the sum of 100 terms, just substitute in place of n 100. We know what a and d is. There a was equal to 2 and d is equal to 2. Substituting the values, n is 100. Substituting, we get the sum of n terms. Okay. Now we know that a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to L or the nth term. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. This a plus n minus 1 into d, we are having n terms such that the nth term is the last term. In that case, a plus n minus 1 into d can be taken as the last term L. Then the formula becomes S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, n by 2 into A plus L. These are the two formulas. That is, if in the question we are given the first term, common difference and number of terms, then we can use this formula. If in the question common difference is not given, first term and the last term are given, in that case we can use this formula. Got it? Studied these two formulas? Now we will apply it in some questions to understand that. Here we have our first example. We studied the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. Now find the sum of first 10 terms of the AP 8, 4, 0, minus 4, minus 8, etc. Here what is the first term? We have first term A is equal to 8. First term is 8. What is the common difference D? D is equal to second term minus first term, 4 minus 8. That is equal to minus 4. Common difference D is equal to minus 4. Number of terms. It is given that first 10 terms, which means n is equal to 10. Okay. We have two formulas to find the sum. The first one is S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the second, S is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Which one will we use here? Here in this question, we know what a is, what d is and what n is. Which one should we use? First one, right? Correct. Because we don't know the nth term or the last term. We know what a is, what d is and what n is. Let's substitute. S is equal to n is 10. 10 divided by 2 into 2a. 2 into a is 8. Plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 into d. D is minus 4. Okay. S is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 8, 16 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into minus 4. 10 by 2 into 16, 9 into minus 4. 9 into 4 is 36. Therefore, we have a minus here, minus 36. Minus 36. What do we get? 10 by 2 into 16 minus 36 is minus 20. Okay. 2 and minus 20 can be cancelled. We get minus 10 here. Therefore, the sum of 10 terms, first 10 terms of this AP is equal to 10 into minus 10, which is minus 100. Very simple, right? Just we need to substitute the values of A, D and N to find the sum of n terms in this formula. Okay. Next example, this is a question that came for ICSE Board Exam 2020. If the sixth term of an AP is equal to 4 times its first term and the sum of first 6 terms is 75, find the first term and the common difference. From the first statement, we are going to make a mathematical equation. If the sixth term of an AP, sixth term T6, what is T6? T6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D, or that is equal to A plus 5D. Okay, this is the sixth term. Is equal to 4 times its first term. First term is, obviously it is A. 4 times its first term is 4A. Therefore, 4A and the sixth term T6 are equal. T6 we have A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to 4A. Okay. And the sum of first 6 terms is 75. Now from this, what do we get? A plus 5D is equal to 4A. This can be written as 5D is equal to 4A minus A. Yes, I am bringing this A to the opposite side, becomes 4A minus A. 5D is equal to 3A. Over 3A is equal to 5D. Now the second one, sum of first 6 terms. We know sum S is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, here what is given? It is only given that the sum of the first 6 terms. which means n is equal to 6. We don't know what A is. We don't know what D is. We just know n. Sum is also given. Sum is 75. S is equal to 75. Therefore, we can write 75 is equal to n by 2. N by 2 is 6 by 2 into 2A. A we don't know, therefore we have to put A itself. A plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1 into D. D also we don't know. Put it as it is. Cancelling, here we get 3. 75 is equal to 3 into 2A plus 6 minus 1 is 5, 5D. Okay. Now, this can be written as 3 into 2A plus 5D is equal to 75. I am just taking this to the opposite side and this to the LHS. Okay, then the negative signs can be removed and becomes 3 into 2A plus 5D is equal to 75. It looks good only when we take the variable containing terms to the left hand side. Okay, for solving this is more comfortable. Now this 3 is taken to the opposite side. We get 2A plus 5D is equal to 75 divided by 3. Okay, or 2A plus 5D is equal to, what is 75 divided by 3? We get 25. Okay, 25. Here we have a relation connecting D and A. 5D is equal to 3A. Here we have 2A plus 5D is equal to 25. 5D is equal to 3A. Let us take 5D is equal to 3A as some equation 1 and 2A plus 5D is equal to 25 as our equation 2. Now I am going to substitute this first equation. In first equation we have 5D. This value of 5D I am going to substitute in the second equation. We get 2A plus 5D is equal to 3A. Therefore, here I am putting 3A is equal to 25. 2A plus 3A is 5A. 5A is equal to 25 or A is equal to 25 divided by 5 which is equal to 5. We got the value of the first term. A is 5. Okay. Now, we can easily find what D is. We have 5D is equal to 3A. Substituting the value of A here, we get 5D is equal to 3 into 5 or D is equal to 3 into 5 divided by 5, cancelling 5, we get 3. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3. First term of this AP is 5 and the common difference in this AP is 3. We were asked to find the first term and common difference. Got it? These are the values of first term and common difference. We have to first change the statement into mathematical form. Next, example 3. This is a question that came for ICSE Board Exam 2019. In an AP, the 4th and 6th terms are 8 and 14 respectively. Find the first term, common difference and sum of first 20 terms. Okay. First, we need to find the first term. What are given? Given that the 4th term, which means T4 is equal to 8. And the 6th term, T6 is equal to 40. Okay. We know Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the nth term. Here, how can we write T4? T4 will be equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 3D. And the value of A plus 3D is 8. A plus 3D is equal to 8. Similarly, 6th term. How can you write 6th term? T6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 5D. Okay, A plus 5D. Now, A plus 5D is equal to 14. A plus 5D is equal to 14. Okay. A plus 3D is equal to 8. I am taking as equation 1. and a plus 5d is equal to 14. I am taking as equation 2. From equation 1, on comparing first and second equation, these are linear equations in two variables. Here a and d are the variables. On comparing this, we can find the value of a and d. But here, if I am going for subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, then a will get removed. We need to find the first term, right? So, for that purpose, from equation 1, we will be getting 3d is equal to 8 minus a. Yes, 3d is equal to 8 minus a, or d is equal to 8 minus a by 3. Okay, this value of d I am going to substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 we have a plus 5d is equal to 40. Why am I doing this? I need to get the equation in terms of a. If I go for the normal subtraction, a will get removed and I will be getting the common difference. After that, I will have to find a. Instead of that, I am finding an equation in terms of a to get d. Substituting that d here, we get a plus 5 into 8 minus a divided by 3 is equal to 14. Now taking LCM here in the denominator, we will get 3. This becomes a into 3, 3a plus 5 into 8 minus a, that is equal to 40. Removing the brackets and multiplying, we get 3a plus 5 into 8 is 40. Then 5 into minus a, 5 into minus a is minus 5a. Minus 5a is equal to 14 into 3. 14 into 3, 42. I am taking this 3 to the opposite side. Okay, 3a minus 5a is minus 2a is equal to 42. Taking this plus 40 to the opposite side, it becomes minus 40. 42 minus 40. Or minus 2a is equal to 42 minus 40 is equal to 2. From which we will be getting a is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. We got the value of a. A is equal to minus 1. Next, the second question, we have to find the common difference d. Okay, we have a formula. D is equal to 8 minus a divided by 3, substituting the value of a. 8 minus a is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 3, which is 8 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 9 by 3, which is 3. We got a is equal to minus 1 and d, common difference d is equal to 3. Clear? Okay, this is how we can find the first term and the common difference. Now the third, we have to find the sum of first 20 terms. Third one, we have to find the sum of first 20 terms, which means n is equal to 20. We have a is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to plus 3. Okay. Sum of n terms, s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. We know all values. Yes. N is equal to 20. 20 by 2 into 2 into 1. A is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1 into d. D is 3. Okay. 2 and 20 can be cancelled. We get 10 here. That is 10 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 3. That is equal to 10 into minus 2 plus 19 into 3 is 57. 57. 57 minus 2 we get 55. 55 into 10 is 550. Therefore, the sum of first 20 terms is equal to 550. This is the final answer for the third sub question. So, first question we got first term a is equal to minus 1. Second, common difference d is equal to 3. And the sum of first 20 terms s is equal to 550. Got it? Let us solve questions from exercise 10C Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, etc. Here what is the first term? We have to find the sum of first 22 terms. First term, this is the first term, A is equal to 8. Now the common difference, D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 3, first term is 8. 3 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5. Common difference, D is equal to minus 5. What else is given? In the question, we have to find the sum of first 22 terms. Then what is 22? Yes, n value is equal to 22. Number of terms is equal to 22. Now, what is S? S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute the values. We get S is equal to n is 22 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 8 plus n minus 1. N is 22 minus 1 into d value is minus 5. Okay, 22 divided by 2 is 11. S is equal to 11 into 2 into 8, 16 plus 22 minus 1, 21 into minus 5. 21 into minus 5. That is equal to 11 into 16, 21 into minus 5. What do we get? Minus 105. Minus 105. 11 into 16 minus 105. 105 minus 16 we get 89. Here we have a negative minus 89. That is equal to 11 into 89. How do we find 11 into 89? We have to write 89, again 89. Okay, this is how we can multiply with 11. Write 89 and again 89. Here we get a 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 979. We have a negative sign. Minus 979. Okay. This is the sum of first 22 terms of the AP containing terms 8, 3, minus 2, etc. Clear? We got the sum is equal to minus 979. Okay. Just we have substitute the values of A, D and N in the formula. Nothing else to do here. Next, problem number 2, question 4 of exercise 10C. Find the sum of first question all odd natural numbers less than 50. Second, first 12 natural numbers each of which is a multiple of 7. Let us take the first question. In the first question, we have to find the sum of all odd natural numbers less than 15. Natural numbers, odd natural numbers, it starts from 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. up to less than 50. 50 is an even number. The odd number which is less than 50 is 49. Up to 49. We have to find the sum of 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. up to 49. From this, we have A is equal to, first term A is equal to 1. What is the common difference D? D is equal to second term minus first term. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Then what else is given? We don't know the number of terms. Okay. What else is given? 49. What is 49? 49 is the nth term or the last term. Here L value is equal to 49. Okay. Now we have two formulas to find the sum of n terms of the AP. Either we can use S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If we are going to use this formula, first we need to find n. How can we find n? We have last term L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values to find n. L we know is 49. 49 is equal to a plus 1 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into d. d is 2 into 2. Okay. That is, bringing this 1 to the opposite side, 49 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Taking this 2 to the opposite side, we get 48 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1, or n minus 1 is equal to 48 divided by 2 is 24, and n is equal to 24 plus 1, that is 25. Taking this minus 1 to the opposite side becomes plus 1. We get n is equal to 25, which means the number of terms is equal to 25. We got the number of terms 25. N is equal to 25. Now we can find the sum. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. What is n? N is 25 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, 25 minus 1 into d. d is 2. Okay. That is equal to 25 divided by 2 into 1, 2 plus 25 minus 1 is 24, 24 into 2, 24 into 2 is 48. That is equal to 25 into 50. 2 plus 48 is 50 divided by 2, cancelling 2 and 50, we get 25. 25 into 25 is 625. Therefore, the sum of 25 terms, first 25 terms of this AP containing odd natural numbers less than 50 is equal to 625. Here, we have found the sum of these terms by finding n. Without finding n, we can directly find just by substituting the value of L and A. We have studied another formula. Just by direct substitution, we will get the answer. Sum S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Yes, once we have got the value of n, that is 25, we can substitute here. S is equal to 25 divided by 2 into A plus L. A is 1 and L is 49. Okay, you don't need to use this lengthy formula here. That is equal to S is 25 into 1 plus 49, same thing, 1 plus 49 is 50 divided by 2, cancelling, we get 25, 25 into 25 is 625. Either of this formula you can use. First thing, you have to find the number of terms. If you are using the first formula or second formula, we need the value of n. Okay, got it? Now the second part, first 12 natural numbers, each of which is a multiple of 7. Multiple of 7, 7 stable. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, then 49, 56, 63 up to where? First 12 natural numbers. 63, 70, we got 10, then 77 is the 11th and 84 is the 12th. Okay, here what is the first term? First term is 7. A is equal to 7. What is the common difference? D. Here the common difference is also 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. Up to 84 we will be getting. Okay. So the common difference D is equal to 7. Then what else? Number of terms also we know. N is equal to 12. We know the last term. Last term is 84. L is equal to 84. So to find the sum, either we can use S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we can use S is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. We know the value of a, d, n and L. Either of these formulas can be used. Let us use this formula now. S is equal to, what is n? N is 12. 12 divided by 2 into a plus L. A is 7 plus last term L is 84. 84. Okay. S is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6 into 7 plus 84, that is 91. 6 into 91, which is equal to 546. The sum of first 12 natural numbers which are divisible by 7 or is a multiple of 7 is 546. Clear? Either you can use this formula or you can use this formula. Here we know what n is. N is 12, A is 7, 12 minus 1, n minus 1, then D is 7. Substitute and do the calculation, you will be getting the answer. Okay, let us move on to the next problem. Problem 3, question 6 of exercise 10C. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. Okay, and that of first 17 terms of it is 289. Find the sum of the first n terms. Now we will convert the statement into mathematical form. First we have the sum of first 7 terms of an AP. S is equal to 49. That is first 7 terms. Okay. We have the formula to find sum. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what is n? Here n is equal to 7. Now substitute. Sum is 49, which means 49 is equal to 7 divided by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Okay. We don't know what a and d are. 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6d. Okay. Here we have 2a and 6d. Common factor 2 can be taken out, right? This becomes 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into, I am taking 2 as common. Remaining we have a plus 3d. Okay. Why I have taken this 2 out? Because I can cancel this and this 2. Then what is remaining? In the left hand side we have 49. I am taking the 7 to the opposite side. It becomes 49 divided by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. Or we can write a plus 3d is equal to 49 divided by 7 is 7. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Take this as equation number 1. Now the second part, that of first 17 terms of it is 289. First 17 terms, when n is equal to 17, s is equal to 289. That is 289 is equal to n by 2. 17 divided by 2 into, here again we don't know what a and d are. 2a plus n minus 1. 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289 here. Then 17 divided by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 into d. Okay. Same process. We can take 2 common outside. Then we get 289 is equal to 17 divided by 2 into 2 into a plus 8d. 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Okay. Next, taking the 17 to the opposite side, we get 289 divided by 17 is equal to a plus 8d. 17 square is 289, which means 289 divided by 17 is 17. We get a plus 8d is equal to 17. Take this as equation number 2. Now comparing 1 and 2. I am going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. We get left hand side, here we have a plus 8d minus, here the left hand side we have a plus 3d. What about RHS? Here we have 17 and here we have 7. 17 minus 7. A plus 8d minus a, removing the brackets, we distribute this negative sign. Minus a minus 3d is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. A minus a can be cancelled. 8d minus 3d is 5d. 5d is equal to 10 or d is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 5. 5d is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. We got the value of D is equal to 2. Now, substituting the value of D either in the first equation or second equation. We had second equation A plus 3D is equal to 7. Substituting D value, that is 2, here we get A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. Or A plus 6 is equal to 7. 3 into 2 is 6. A plus 6 is equal to 7. Then A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. We got first term A is equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to 2. What do we need to find? Find the sum of first n terms. Okay. We have S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is how we can find the sum of n terms. Now substitute the value of a and d here. We get n by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, 1 minus 1 into d, that is 2. Okay, equal to n by 2 into 2a, 2 into a value is 1, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d, d is equal to 2. S is equal to n by 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. Distributing we get 2n minus 2. Yes, n into 2 is 2n, 1 into 2 is 2. 2 and minus 2 can be removed. Then what is there? We have n by 2 into 2n. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Therefore, sum of n terms is equal to n into n, n square. Sum of n terms of this AP where A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2 is n square. Clear? Next, problem 4, question 7 of exercise 10C. The first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum of its terms is 1000. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Here what are the given quantities? First term of an AP is given, which is 5. A is equal to 5. Then last term is given, last term is 45. L is equal to 45. And the sum of its terms, number of terms is not given. We have to find number of terms, n. Sum of terms is given, that is equal to 1000. Okay. Find the number of terms and the common difference. D is also something we have to find. Okay. First, let us find the number of terms. We have sum of n terms of an AP. S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Yes. Here we cannot use the other formula because we don't know the common difference as well. Okay. Without knowing the common difference, we cannot use the formula. We have to use this formula, that is sum S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Now substitute the values. S we have, that is 1000 is equal to n by 2. N we have to find by 2 into A plus L. A is 5 plus L is 45. Okay. That is n by 2 into 5 plus 45 is 50 is equal to 1000. Okay. Just making some rearrangements, we can get the value of n. N is equal to 1000 into 2 divided by 50. Just taking the reciprocal and multiplying on the opposite side. Here we have 50 by 2, it becomes 2 by 50. 50 and 1000, we can cancel out these zeros. 5 and 100. 5 into 20 is 100. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 20 into 2, which is 40. Number of terms is equal to 40. Then what do we need to find? We have to find D. common difference D. Okay, now use the other formula. We have S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Only using this formula we can find the value of D. Here S we know, which is 1000. We have determined the value of n, that is 40, by 2 is equal to 2 into a. 2 into a value is 5. 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. N is 40. 40 minus 1 into here. This 2 and 40 can be cancelled. We get 20. Now 1000 is equal to 20 into 2 into 5, 10 plus 40 minus 1, 39, 39 D. Taking this 20 to the opposite side, we get 1000 by 20 is equal to 10 plus 39 D. 1000 by 20, zeros can be cancelled. 100 by 2, which is 50. 50 is equal to 10 plus 39 D. Taking this 10 to the opposite side, 50 minus 10 is equal to 39 D. 50 minus 10, 40. 40 is equal to 39 D, or 39 D is equal to 40, which means D is equal to 40 divided by 39. We are not getting a whole number. Still that is possible, right? The value of D can be fractions, decimals, anything. 40 divided by 39 is the value of D, and we have determined the number of terms, which is 40. N is equal to 40 and D is equal to 40 by 39. Okay, next problem 5, question 9 of exercise 10C. The first and the last terms of an AP are 34 and 700 respectively. If the common difference is 18, how many terms are there and what is their sum? We have to find the number of terms and the sum of n terms. Okay, here given first term A is equal to 34 and last term L is equal to 700. Yes, first term is 34 and the last term is 700. What else is given? Common difference is also given. D is equal to 18. How many terms are there in the AP? Number of terms. We have to find number of terms and what is their sum? We have to find S. Okay. To find number of terms, we can use the formula L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes. Nth term or the last term of an AP, L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we know what L is 700, then A is 34, N we have to find and D is 18. Now substitute the values. We have L 700 is equal to A plus 34 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 18. Okay. That is 700 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into 18. 700 minus 34, what do we get? 666. Okay, 666 is equal to n minus 1 into 18, or n minus 1 into 18 is equal to 666. N minus 1 is equal to 666 divided by 18. Okay, 18 is 6 into 3. Okay, what is 666? 111 into 6 we get 666. Here it is 111. Okay, what is 111 divided by 3? We get 37. 37 into 3 is 111. N minus 1 is equal to 37, which means n is equal to 37 plus 1, that is 38. Number of terms we got, number of terms is 38. Clear? Now we have to find the sum of these 38 terms. We have A is equal to 34, L is equal to 700, N is equal to 38. S, sum is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Substitute the values. N 38 divided by 2 into a plus l 34 plus 700. That is equal to 38 divided by 2 19. 19 into 34 plus 700 is 734. What do we get? 19 into 734 we get 13946. 13,946 is the sum of first 38 terms of these AP, whose first term is 34, common difference is 18 and the last term is 700. Clear? Next, problem 6, question 11 of exercise 10C. If the 8th term of an AP is 37 and the 15th term is 15, more than its 12th term, find the AP. Also find the sum of first 20 terms of this AP. Given that 8th term of the AP is 37, T8, 8th term, T8 is equal to 37. How can we write T8, 8th term? A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 37 or A plus 7D is equal to 37. Okay. A plus 7D is equal to 37. What else? And the 15th term is 15 more than 12th term. 12th term plus 15 is 15th term. Or 15th term T15 minus 12th term T12. The difference between them is 15. Okay. This is how we can change the statement. Or we can write this as T15 is equal to 15 plus T12. Now, what is 15th term? How can we write 15th term? A plus 15 minus 1 into D. How can we write the 12th term? A plus 12 minus 1 into D. That is equal to 15. Okay. A plus 15 minus 1 into D. A plus 14D. Minus A plus 12 minus 1 into D is A plus 11D. That is equal to 15. Now, A and A can be removed. Here we have A plus 14D minus A, removing the brackets and distributing the negative sign, minus 11D is equal to 15. A minus A removed. 14D minus 11D, 3D is equal to 15. Or D is equal to 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. We got the value of D is equal to 5. Okay. We need to find the AP. To get AP, first thing is we need the first term. How to find first term? Here we have an equation. 8th term is 37. From this we have reached that A plus 7D is equal to 37. A plus 7D is equal to 37. Substituting the value of D here. D is equal to 5 in this equation to get the first term A. A plus 7 into 5 is equal to 37. A plus 7 into 5, 35. 35 is equal to 37, or A is equal to 37 minus 35, which is equal to 5. A is equal to 37 minus 35, that is equal to 2. We got A, the first term A is equal to 2. Then what is the AP? AP, general form of AP. General form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Okay. Here we have A is equal to 2. Second term, A plus D, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Next term, again adding 5 to the second term, we get the third term. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. This is the required arithmetic progression. Okay. First term 2 and the common difference 5. We need to find the sum of first 20 terms. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We cannot use the other formula because we don't know what the last term is. We know the number of terms, which is 20. Substituting, s is equal to 20 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 2, plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into d. The value of d is 5, which is equal to 20 by 2, 10 into 2 into 2, 4, plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 5. That is equal to 10 into 4 plus 19 into 5. 19 into 5 is 95. 95 plus 4 is 99. 99. Sum is equal to 10 into 99. What is 10 into 99? 990. Therefore, we got the sum of first 20 terms of the AP containing terms 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, etc. is 990. Got it? Here we have the last problem for today, problem 7, question 14 of exercise 4C. The fourth term of an AP is 11 and the eighth term exceeds twice the fourth term by 5. Find the AP and the sum of first 50 terms. Given that the fourth term of an AP is 11, T4, fourth term is equal to 11. This can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D is equal to 11 or A plus 3D is equal to 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. Let us name this equation number 1. Then what is given? And the eighth term exceeds twice the fourth term by 5. Eighth term is greater than 2 times fourth term by 5, which means the difference between the eighth term and 2 times the fourth term is 5. Okay. T8 minus 2 times, twice, fourth term T4 is equal to 5 or T8 is equal to 5 plus 2 times T4. Now we have T4 is equal to 11. Substitute here. T8 minus 2 into 11 is equal to 5. What is T8? T8 can be written as A plus 8 minus 1 into D minus 2 into 11, 22 is equal to 5. Or A plus 7D. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7D is equal to 5 plus 22. Taking this minus 22 to the opposite side, it becomes plus 22. Okay. A plus 7D is equal to 5 plus 22. 22 plus 5 is 27. This is our second equation. We got two equations. Equation 1, A plus 3D is equal to 11, and the second equation, A plus 7D is equal to 27. Next, what to do? We have to compare these equations to find the values of A and D. Equation 1, equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Minus equation 1. By doing this, we can remove A from the equations. That is, A plus 7D minus, here what is there in the left hand side? A plus 3D. A plus 3D RHS 27 minus, here it is 11. 27 minus 11. A plus 7D minus A minus 3D. Removing the brackets and distributing the negative side, equal to 27 minus 11, which is 16. A minus A can be removed. Then we have 7D minus 3D, which is 4D, is equal to 16, and D is equal to 16 by 4, which is equal to 4. We got the value of D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. Common difference is 4. Now we have to find A. Substituting the value of D in equation 2, we get A plus 7 into 4 is equal to 27. That is A plus 7 into 4, 28 is equal to 27, or A is equal to 27 minus 28. A is equal to 27 minus 28 is minus 1. We got the value of A minus 1 and we have D is equal to 4. So, first thing we have to find the AP. First term minus 1. Therefore, the AP arithmetic progression is first term minus 1. Second term, we have to add this common difference to the first term. Minus 1 plus 4, we get plus 3. Second term plus the common difference gives us the third term. 3 plus 4, 7. Next term, adding 4 again, 11. Next term, again adding 4, 15, etc. Next, to find the sum of first 50 terms, n is equal to 50. We have A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 4. To find the sum of first 50 terms, S is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values, here n is 50. 50 divided by 2 into 2A, 2 into minus 1 plus n minus 1, 50 minus 1 into D. D is 4. That is equal to 50 divided by 2, 25 into 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 50 minus 1, 49. 49 into 4, 196. That is equal to 25 into 196 minus 2. We get 194. 194 into 25. 25 can be written as 100 divided by 4. Yes, 100 divided by 4 into 194 or 19,400 divided by 4. To make the calculation easy, we are putting this 25 as 100 divided by 4. What do we get? 19 by 4. We get 16, that is 4. Remaining, we have 3. 34. In 34 by 4, we get 32, which is 8 times. Then we have remaining 2. 20 by 4. 20 by 4 is 5. 0. 4850 is the sum of first 50 terms. Clear? Easy, right? That's all for today. In today's class, we have discussed how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. We have solved many questions from exercise 10C. There are a few more questions left which you can practice on your own. I'll be back in the next session with new questions. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai par best hai. Thank you.